The weather has been phenomenal here. I'm not even gonna lie, like it's been beautiful. Damn, my hair. I look like a damn scarecrow this morning. Wow. Beard's on point though. And yeah, I put beard oil in this morning. I couldn't open my coffee forever. I had to literally like pull over and yeah, whatever, guys. It is what it is, you know. I just getting on here. I don't really have anything interesting to talk about today. Or any audio tips or whatever. But there's one guy that keeps getting in my comments saying I should do a live stream. So if you have the notification bell clicked on the video, then you will get a notification. I'm going to go live tonight. If sub number 5 comes in today, it is scheduled from tracking to be here today. When I get home from work, the basket's supposedly already cleaned, ready to go. My buddy Kyle was planning on reconing the sub, and he wound up paying the shipping, and we swapped one of my working Genesis for his basket and motor that he was getting ready to recone. So it should be pretty much surround and spider landing should be clean. So I'm just going to break out the old air compressor, blow the gap out, check it, and make sure that it's nice and clean. I'm going to wipe down the landings, and then I'm going to blow them off again after they dry. And I'm going to try to set up a tripod, get the old phone up there, blam, blam, and record me doing a recone on live. Now, the downfall is I don't have high-tech equipment, guys. You know, the best I have is a nice tripod, and luckily, when I was in Texas, Paul was just like, dude, dear, you can have this tripod. It's a nice tripod. So he gave me a nice tripod, and I got a ring light, and we're just gonna like go at it. I won't be able to see your comments. Deb had said she's gonna come over occasionally and read some of y'all's comments out to me so I can half-ass interact. Ooh, but that's going to be the extent of it is, you know, I'll get a comment here and there, try to react to them, answer them, and we're just going to build a sub on YouTube Live. So there's that. I just wanted to make that quick announcement. I still have the woofer shop, guys. Go check it out. I know I keep promoting McLaren. We got a lot of McLaren stuff on there, though. And, you know, when I found out that you can get a recone or a diaphragm for pretty much anything McLaren, even discontinued items, it's a no-brainer for me. And last night I watched Demo Bros. You know, it's a podcast with Jeremy King and Joe Sparky Dom. And even the guest they had on there, his name was Jeff from some big company for mids and highs and stuff. And even he was saying that there's only a couple build houses that build all mids and highs, so they're all pretty much the same. And I know everybody's got their favorite brand, like Rogue is just getting super popular, McLaren super popular. A lot of people at big stunt walls run DS18, they get loud as hell too, so I'm not a brand nut hugger on any of them. It's just I do simply like the McLarens because I blow a speaker, I don't got to throw it away. I can put a recone in it. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much all I had this morning. Short-ass video, I know. But I do plan on going live tonight. And, you know, honestly, it's probably going to be around that 7:30, 8 o'clock mark. Somewhere in there. No definite time set because I'm going to go home. If the sub shows up, I got to open that box, get that ready to recone, and then eat supper with the wife, and then we'll get on it. So anyway, thank y'all for tuning in. I'm up to 10,400 subscribers, man. That is awesome. The channel is still growing on here. And I mean, I'm trying, guys, you know. I mean, it's hard since this thing ain't playing, you know. I mean, it's hard to get good content. And people have been asking about the black Jeep. I need to get this playing. Because if it's playing and it's doing good, I don't know, it's not set in stone. But March 11th, I was going to try to go to the Turn Down for What show in Greenville, North Carolina. Yeah, going to try. No promises, but I want to get this playing. And then I have a bunch of work to do on the Blazer. I got to finish up the A-pillars and the doors, get that all back in, wired up, retune the DSP, and I want to get Deb's Blazer back going. Then I'm going to start working on the black Jeep again. But at some point, I have to do the spider injection on Deb's Blazer. So, guys, I got a little bit of stuff going on, and I'm just trying to get to whatever I have time for that makes sense in my schedule at that point. So the black Jeep, I'm still going to build it because I need to get that black Jeep running and driving again before I put a roof skin on here. Makes sense. But anyway, guys, that's all I got. Catch me tonight. Peace out. And as always, guys, bass on.